10 awesome facts about Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift's full name is Taylor Allison Swift. She was born on December 13, 1989, in Reading, Pennsylvania, USA. Before becoming a pop superstar, Taylor Swift moved to Nashville, Tennessee at age 14 to pursue a career in country music. She is the youngest artist ever to win the Grammy Award for Album of the Year, which she won at age 20 for her album Fearless. Taylor Swift's song Teardrops on My Guitar was inspired by a real-life crush she had on a boy named Drew Hardwick. She is a philanthropist and has donated millions of dollars to various causes, including education, disaster relief, and the fight against cancer. Taylor Swift is an avid reader and has been known to share her favorite books with fans on social media. She is the only artist to have 4 consecutive albums debut at number 1 on the Billboard 200 chart. Taylor Swift has a fear of sea urchins, and she once had a panic attack while scuba diving because of them. She is good friends with fellow pop star Ed Sheeran, and they have collaborated on several songs together. Taylor Swift has a strong interest in acting and has appeared in several movies and TV shows, including Valentine's Day and New Girl.